Do you feel more like you now because you said Canada's making you paler? Hey, see that? Okay, so that's Maybelline. She has merit. So let's just put that. Well, you know what? Yeah, even there. It's not horrible, but it definitely doesn't disappear into your skin. If you're happy with it, that's fine, but it's not perfect, let's just say. It's not bad. Nobody's wrong here, just so you know. So look at the difference here. That blends right in here, and then it doesn't here. That's okay, though. We want her to match her body. I'm seeing a bit more pink, and this has more yellow, which yellow and olive makes sense. That just blends right in here where that stood out here. Do you see it?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, okay. It's really important, too, for you to agree. Let's see. That matches.
Yes.
Let me pull down.
Yes.
Oh, that's pretty. So this is the Maybelline Lumi Matte. And the reason I invested in that is because it still looks like skin. It's nice and thin. It is buildable also. So if you want more coverage, you can. It's Lumi Matte. So it's going to stay because of the matte formulation, but it's not going to matte your skin out. It still looks like skin. Very, very pretty. Yeah, I'm happy with that.
Yes, me too.
Do you feel more like you now because you said Canada's making you paler?
Yes, more.
And I'm just shearing this out. You really don't need, it's like a little boost.
It's the perfect shade too.
So in my classes, part of why I bought every color of this is because I think I'm going to have a color for everybody. I'm actually going to cheat that up a little bit under your eye and see what happens. So just because it says foundation doesn't mean you can't use it as a concealer. It's multi-purpose. Remove the labels and play. Your skin looks beautiful.
Thank you.
If I wanted to make that brighter, I would use a corrector.
Maybelline is very famous in Colombia.
Mm-hmm.
Very.
It's good.
Yeah.
Them I'd like to partner with. And I'm looking for something with a bit more warmth. Let's try this. We may not like it. See how we feel about that?
Good.
Okay.
Yes.
So that is Haus Labs Light Medium Peach. And the peach is what's correcting any kind of darkness, like that, a little bit of gray hue. Can you tell me what you see from that side? Is that side better than this side?
Yes, it's brighter.
Does it look gray at all?
Maybe the tiniest bit. Doesn't look bad, maybe.
We're aiming for like the best. And that's the fun, right? It's not a pain. I want to get the best. It's a challenge. Medium peach. Let's try this.
For me, it's good because I never use concealer.
This might be better, I think. Yeah, it is. I can tell already. Good call, Kayla. Are you seeing that too?
Yes, way better.
Way better. Yay. All right, so this color is medium peach.
Oh, yes, way better.
Way better. Isn't that wild, right? So same tone, but this one's light. Oh, that's so much better. So I'm just going to set it lightly with powder. This is Huda Beauty Peach Pie.
Wow. When is the next Sephora sale?
Okay, so we're going to start at the top. I keep wanting to blend over it and smooth it out. And I don't know if it's the brush or the product.
I like the product.
Does that feel better now that I just did that?
Yes.
Okay, it was more the brush I was using, I think. Yeah, okay, that feels better. So that's what it was. It was the brush. Not to say that's a bad brush, but that for me didn't feel good. This is Stone by MAC. So the idea here is that I'm trying to match your natural lip color. You've got more of a neutral cool, right? This isn't far off. It's just enhancing it a little bit. Now she's much pinker in here, which I think is beautiful. So I'm going to go over the liner and drag. And if I have to go over with the liner again just to blend, I will.
It smells really nice.
And this is YSL. So I don't really want to see a line, right? I just wanted that to create shape. You're liking that color? It is just your lip enhanced, right? This is Candy Glow. You do it. You'll need this. Honestly. Oh, okay. Candy Glow Love Shine. Okay. You've got beautiful lashes.
Oh, thank you.
Are you okay with me curling your lashes? Look at the difference. Do you see? You can't even see.
Wow.
Right?
Yes.
Would you wear eyeshadow?
Maybe some gold.
That was so much fun. Thanks, Laura, for letting me play. I hope this helps, and I'll see you later. Bye.